If you're experiencing a transfer pending issue with Bell Canada, follow these steps to resolve it quickly. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix the problem efficiently. Step 1. Check your account status. Ensure that your Bell Canada account is active and in good standing. Log into your account online or contact customer service to verify there are no outstanding issues. Step 2. Confirm transfer details. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 3. Restart your device. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve pending issues. Then off your device, wait for a few seconds, and then turn it back on to refresh the connection. Step 4. Contact customer support. If the issue persists, reach out to Bell Canada customer support. Provide them with your account details and explain the situation. They can offer specific assistance and may be able to expedite the transfer process. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After addressing the issue with customer support, monitor your account for updates. Transfers can take some time, so be patient and check back periodically for confirmation that the transfer has been completed. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the transfer pending issue with Bell Canada efficiently. If problems continue, consider seeking further assistance from Bell's technical support team.